welcome
back to my
YouTube channel. This is me and sorry. This is
my best
me
friend.
and my best friend. We had a sleepover. It's literally 12:29. So it's clearly the next time. So we had a sleepover and we're trying to pull an all-nighter. Just 5 more hours or 6 more hours.
But we're just gonna chill, listen to music.
We're literally just listening to. She's laying on the music.
My music. Sorry, let me just get my music things here. Spotify. I just wanna say, if somebody's like the person who's made Spotify is watching this, thank you for the great app. I love this app. And go like and subscribe to her and me.
Okay, some of you, thank you for the 4 subscribers. I just wanted to say, sorry, I just wanted to say, thank you for the 4 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers.
And all your support.
Ek praat. Ek kan nou praat. Thank you for all you guys' support, and she actually made me do my first video, and it was actually, if you saw the first video, I was very scared. I was very scared to do the first video, and now I'm a bit more out of my comfort zone because I'm literally just talking to screen and I just post and then the video goes out to all of you guys. So, and I'm gonna post a video later on today that I'm gonna do my nails.
It's gonna look like this.
Hey, they spoiled it. You didn't see anything, but my nails is gonna look like hers.
Hint.
My nails is gonna look like hers, but just with red. Okay, but I'll post a video of me doing my nails. Yes.
Or my sister doing her nails.
My sister doing, not my sister, my best friend's, her sister. But thank you, and I wasn't done talking, but I want to get to 50 or 1,000 subscribers before or on Christmas. It will be a very nice gift, and please go subscribe and send this to all of your friends if you like me. I like my videos, not me. I didn't know what to say. If you like my videos, just send them to your friends, tell them to subscribe, and yes. And here's my friend. She wants to say something too.
Hi guys, thank you for all your support. Thank you for everybody who is subscribed to me. If you don't know me, I am Yannicke van Aert. She'll put my name somewhere in the video. So please go subscribe to me, and please I wanna really reach 1,000 subscribers by New Year's. Sorry, I'm like nervous because I'm talking on her channel. But thank you for all the 7 subscribers and who is supporting me, and please share my videos, and thank you guys.
Her name will be in her
title.
Her name will be in the title, so just go to her channel. Her channel's name will be in the title down below. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Do it.
Bye. I'm busy
Okay.
eating chocolate.
Okay. Let me hold it. Okay.
Bye,
Bye.
guys.
Really bye.
Bye, guys.